What up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja back in here with another banging video. As you can see, today we are going to be talking about making money with YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. If you can't tell, I am ridiculously excited about this one because this is highly profitable, and I've seen some great things coming from these social media. Right. So, if you're still with me, go ahead, check the links in the description. They're going to be taking you to some other resources that you can watch, browse, peruse, read, all of the above. Alright. Also, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. If you have any questions, just air them out in the comment section below. Alright. So, make money with YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay? So, real quick, the best thing you can do is grow your following. A lot of people are casually browsing through other people's pages. They're spending their time looking at cool stuff. Maybe they're stressed out, so they're just looking at pictures of dogs or things that they like people playing with slime or snowboarding or people at the beach. There are people who use Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to visualize the life that they want to live. So maybe somebody wants to go to the Bahamas. They'll just type in Bahamas on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, and they'll see images, videos of people enjoying themselves on the beautiful beaches of the Bahamas, swimming in the clear, can I say clear blue? If it's clear, it's clear. If it's blue, it's blue. But that beautiful, clean, almost like it was just made from the hands of heaven water, and they wish they were there, and they're just dreaming, they're daydreaming about all that stuff. People use social media to do stuff like that, or just to find out what's happening in other people's lives. However, you could actually be building your own following by posting your own content. You may think your life is boring, but there's a ton of people who would love to be doing what you're doing. There are some people who live in the country and you live in a city, and they'd love to live a city life, and they'll glean or take what they can from your experiences living in the city. Even just walking around like with your camera in first person view, showing the streets, the sounds, the sights, the activities. People they're just so energized by seeing stuff like that they just click like and follow. Right? So you could be building your own following, doing things that you do on a daily basis, or doing things that you love. Right? Some people already have massive followings. Right? Just by doing things that they love to do. So there are people who, let's say a lot of girls or ladies have YouTube channels or Facebook pages or Instagram pages that they do makeup or hair, just because they like makeup and they like hair, not necessarily to make money, but they just like doing that stuff. And when people come to their channel or their page and they like their stuff, they literally click like, and they follow what you're doing, and before you know it, you become more creative, you become more confident, you become more adventurous, you try different new styles, you try different ways of doing makeup. Maybe there's new products on the market. Maybe there's something you tried that you loved. Maybe there's something that didn't clog your pores up and didn't give you acne. So you jump on screen and you're like, hey guys, guess what? New product, and it doesn't clog my pores. Try it. And people like it, so they follow you because you're always bringing stuff of value to them. Okay? So, there are tons of people who already have massive followings doing things that they love to do, and they aren't making money from it. And let me show you why. That's because they're not monetized. So how do you make money from YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook? Here are the 4 major ways. There are several other ways, but here are the major ways. Part 1. Major corporations are looking for smaller YouTube, Instagram, Facebook pages to promote their product. When we say smaller, we mean not beginner, but not necessarily the biggest pages that have 100 million people on there. There are a lot of people who have interesting ways of doing things that have a niche following of, say, let's say 20,000 people. And this tribe is so loyal to you that these major corporations know that because of your following and because of the type of product they want to promote, they'd rather pick you and give you $1,000 than go to ABC or Fox and give them 100 million to promote a similar thing and not necessarily reach as many people as you do. Now, when I say reach as many people, they don't reach as many buyers as you do. Because so many people are loyal to you, they'll check their pages religiously every day. Out of the 10,000, let's say 8,000 purchase. You can spend 100 million and only a certain number of people at that particular time are watching a particular TV channel, and let's say they make a couple million from, let's say they make $1 million from the ads that they spent. If you spent 100 million and only made $1 million from a commercial at peak hour time, the ratio of how much you spend to how much you make isn't as good as spending $1,000 paying you for your small channel and having 8,000 people purchase. If you get what I mean, they would have made more than $1,000 off the 1,000 they spent giving you the money than spending 100 million for a prime spot during Super Bowl or some major show. So you could be raking in cash from your quote unquote small YouTube channel or Instagram or Facebook page. Trust me. Alright? The second way, you can create your own product. So these products could be ebooks, workout routines. Maybe you're an avid what do you call it when you extract stuff from plants and stuff? I forgot what you call it. But maybe you get esters and stuff from flowers and other plants, and you can make natural perfumes, right? Maybe you are a hairstylist and you have a DIY hairstyle book. You could put together a book of designs that you can create with your hair and how to do it. You could do courses on so many different topics. There's people doing courses on how to fly drones. There's people doing courses on how to start a backyard garden. There's people doing courses on how to make slime. There's people doing courses specifically on how to do glow-in-the-dark slime. There's people teaching you how to deal with autistic children. There's so many different things that you could do courses on. It's ridiculous. And there are many people willing to pay $10, $20 for a course on Udemy. Now, if you have 1,000 people buying your course for $20, that's $20,000. Boom, right there. So what I'm saying? So, you can promote the third one. You can promote other people's products and get a commission. So there are pages, websites. For example, there's ClickBank, Warrior Plus. In fact, let me show you ClickBank real quick. Okay, this is ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform where a lot of people who have, some products are physical, but a lot of the products are e-products, like digital products. They don't want to spend a ton of money promoting stuff through ads or different advertising houses. They'd rather get what's called an affiliate. Okay, an affiliate is a person who promotes somebody's product. When someone makes a purchase, based on the agreement, you get a certain percentage. So for example, if you promoted a product for $100 and the agreement was that you got 60%, you would be making 60% off that $100 sale. So you'd be earning $60 from a $100 purchase from a customer, right? So ClickBank has a ton of products from various niches, and here are the bigger stuff: arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business, investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, politics, current events, reference, self-help, software and services, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, sports, travel. Booyah! So let's say you are someone who likes to talk about affirmations and becoming your best self and whatnot. If you wanted to browse through the spirituality thing, right, you can search for products from cost or rank rather, from high to low. And this product is called a numerologist product. This one costs $13, but a lot of times what happens is that they have what are called upsells. So you buy something for the initial price of $13, and let's say the commission is 50%, you'll be getting $6 and some cents. But what will happen is that after the initial purchase, there are other products that are on the back end that they'll promote, and you still get a commission of those. So you'll have someone purchase something for $13 initially, but after a while they're exposed to other products that cost $100, $200, $500, and so forth. And when people purchase because of your link, you get a commission and they get an awesome product. So for example, you wanted to promote this product on your awesome manifestation Instagram page. You click promote, right? It generates what's called a hop link, but it says here that this one needs to be pre-approved. So let's see if we can just find something else just for the sake of this video. You click promote. If you click generate hop link, your link pops up right here, right there, right here. When you copy and paste it in your Instagram page, then what will happen is when people click on that link, they're taken to the offer, they buy, you get your commission. It's that simple. I kid you not, it's that simple. And the bigger the following you have, the more likely you are to make a sale. Get what I'm saying? So what you can also do is when your channel reaches a certain number of followers, you can get paid for what are called shout outs, and that's the fourth one we'll touch on today. So there are many people who have products, whether physical products, digital products, courses, whatever. They will find people on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and they will ask you to do a shout out. So it's like, hey, thanks for watching Internet Income Ninja. By the way, check out my brother Manifestation Secrets over here. I'll leave a link in the description below, or if you look at this thing that pops up on your screen, and you'll see the link pop up on the screen somewhere. This will take you directly to their channel. They talk about all things manifestation. If you want to manifest a dream job, if you want to manifest money overnight, if you want to manifest a specific person in your life, like a significant other, a boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, check that page. They teach you how to do that stuff. Okay, so that was a shout out. Okay, and say that person paid me $100 to do a shout out, and leave their link in my description or on my Instagram page for say 2 days, and I get paid just to say that and just to leave the link on my page for 2 days. After the 2 days, I delete the link. If they want to extend it, they'll have to pay me more. But the fact is, I gave them a shout out. I made you aware of who these people are. They get followers, they get hits to their page, people get to view their products, they get sales, and I get my $100. That's a shout out. So there are many people who create Instagram, Facebook pages, and YouTube channels just to grow followings, just to make money, just to do shout outs. You could be one of them too. Alright? Speaking of which, there is an awesome ebook in the description below. If you click that link, it takes you to a short video explaining more, and it shows you how you can use this awesome ebook to grow Instagram, to grow Facebook, to grow YouTube, and be on your way to earning way more money than you're making currently. And these videos show you way more information on how this is done. Right? So check the link in the description. This is a awesome ebook, awesome information. You could be leveraging your own Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube to be making money, even as a teenager, even as a youngster, even if you're old. It doesn't matter. There are people interested in learning what you have to share. Don't sell yourself short. If you can imagine any type of person out there, that person exists, and I guarantee you they are interested in learning about what you have to share. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, share, and like this video for more awesome stuff from the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Check the link in the description. I'll see you soon.